scan, let's say in just 1 second, all the ports, let's say from 1 to 9999. What I can do is that I can customize this script, adding a feature of, let's say, import threading, a threading feature. And what I can do is that I can customize this script telling that scan all the ports 1 to 99 at once, rather than kind of doing that one after other. Scan all the ports quickly at the same time. Okay. And what will happen is that rather than kind of spending time of 0.5 into 999999 for nmap to complete, you can quickly complete that objective of yours in, let's say, 0.8, let's say in 3 seconds, for example. Okay. So knowing how to kind of use these tools, you don't need to depend on the nmap tool every time, because it may be that sometimes you want to scan a website and you don't have much time. So if the nmap parallel processing is not working that efficiently, you can quickly customize the script and add certain extra feature and kind of work on kind of achieving your objective. So I hope this kind of answers your question. Is there any other question or any other concern?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So now, guys, thing is that let me just quickly see what all other topics we have for today. So just give me 1 second. So what I will do is I'll quickly take a 5 minute break, and then we will kind of resume our discussion for today. Okay. So just give me 5 minutes. Okay, guys. So now let's resume our discussion and for today. So what we are going to do is now we have seen network forensics in a very deep level, and we've understood all the different concepts that a SOC person needs to know. Now, one of the most important thing that a SOC professional should know now is how to kind of conduct a analysis. Let's say a system has been compromised, or let's say there has been a policy violation, for an example, which is which will be the 90% of the work that we'll be doing in our career. Okay, how to kind of investigate those kind of things. So we will be now moving forward to the disk analysis. Okay, and also the memory analysis. Memory analysis, I mean, is that whenever, let's say, you have a malware that is running, let's say the sophisticated malware in the existing right now in the world will actually only run on memory. They will not touch the disk or the hard drive of the system. Okay. So in that case, how we can kind of figure those kind of malwares. So for that, we'll understand how the memory analysis is done. So today, my thing is that maybe I won't be kind of start deep diving into all those things in detail. But what we'll do is that we'll look at like what all things will be coming up, and thing is that what all things to kind of expect. Okay, so I'll now quickly share my screen. Just give me 1 second. I see that there is no audio issues. Everything is fine. Now, thing is that the first thing that we will see is, let's say this is one of the poster. Okay, one of the poster of from the science organization. So what we'll do is that we'll try to cover most of the thing from here. Okay, most of the thing from here, what this organization has kind of told us. Like, so it is kind of telling us a lot of information, like what all things to kind of investigate for any kind of system. So we'll try to see all of those things. Okay, so so today I will kind of like what I say. I'll quickly give an overview what all things to kind of expect. So the first thing is, let's say for a Windows operating system, let's say how we can kind of figure out. So what we will be kind of seeing for going forward is, let's say, so every Windows, the file that is on a Windows host actually has some kind